chance, this is the moment you've waited for. You're searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. You're for a dream, can't you see you getting closer to surrender? Cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flying open. It's a picture in the pulpit and you're blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall that's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go? Where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible come true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show.
All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the grand finale of our hackathon. I'm Maria, your host for today's exciting event. I hope you're all as thrilled as I am to witness the incredible innovation and creativity of our team that they've poured into their ideas. But before we dive in, I want to acknowledge the hard work and dedication that's brought us here. Team, I thoroughly enjoyed this whole process, and I hope that you did too. So, a huge thank you to all you innovators, to our mentors, and of course, our judges for making this event possible. But now let's get started. Please join me in welcoming our judges to the virtual stage. And let's give a warm round of applause to our wonderful judges. Beautiful. All right, now it's time for the main event, the presentation of your ideas. Each presenter has worked tirelessly to bring their ideas to life, and today we get to see the fruits of their labor. So, team, what will happen is we'll play 30 seconds of your original theme song to welcome you to the stage. You'll then have 2 minutes each to present your ideas, followed by 2 minutes for judges' questions. Judges, please have your scorecards ready, as your insights and scores will be crucial in determining our winners. All right, so let's kick things off with our first innovator. Join me in welcoming Jeevan to the stage for the Regression Monthly Mastery Challenge.
Thank you, Maria.
Yo, listen up. We got a plan. Revolutionization, regression, take a stand. Monthly mastery, testing new groove. Innovation's the key. Let's make it move. 2 weeks are not enough. Time's too tight. To catch all the bug, we need new light. Automate, integrate, make it shine. It's
Awesome. All right, so Jeevan, your time starts now.
Hi team, my name is Jeevan Singh. I am mobile app developer at Innovation Minds. Today I'm going to share my innovation idea, regression testing with AI. Regression testing is an important part for any product. It is same like lungs which provide proper oxygen to our body. In the same way, regression testing help to make our product error-free and reliable for our users. There are many AI-based tools available for regression testing such as Selenium WebDriver, Apache JMeter, Mabel, Functionize, and many more. Currently, our regression testing is done manually, which leave room for missed scenario and errors. By using these advanced tools, we can significantly enhance our testing process. Research shows that automated regression testing can reduce testing time by up to 85%, which allows to release update faster with greater confidence. This will not only help developer to create reusable code, saving time, but also ensure a thoroughly tested product. Moreover, this benefits our marketing team, allowing them to confidently promote a well-tested product. Building trust with our users is crucial, and proper regression testing is a key part of that trust. In the end, Integrating AI-driven regression testing tool into our workflow not only ensure product quality, but also deliver a superior experience to our users. Thank you. Thank you, team.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jivan. All right, judges, do you have any questions? You have 2 minutes to ask your questions, and please add your scores in the scoring sheet before we proceed to the next presenter.
Maria.
Yes?
So I do have the scoring sheet open, and it was great to hear that presentation. And what I'm curious about is the numbering schema that we are using in the boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a 1 to 10? Is it a...
It's a 1
This
to
is 1 to
5.
5. So, Debbie, if you are looking into the screen here,
Okay.
so you have the judges, right? So, so you can't actually change the name here. So it's going to be, did you change it, Maria?
Judge number 3 is Debbie, so she's the second tab.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm in there, and I just didn't know. I don't see a legend for what in each of the categories. What are you looking for in terms of, how
Debbie, quickly, so as you can see here, there are 4 criteria, right? So look for the functionality, user experience, 30% weightage, innovation 20, and scalability. So you can refer this one. Based on that, you may be able to give the scores there. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, go to that respective line item. I don't want to share the scoring sheet for now, okay? Yeah. And also, we shouldn't change the name. I'll take care of it later, Maria. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sure.
So, Debbie, are you good?
Yeah, I'm still okay. So I see the weightage, but I'm still trying to understand
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
1 to 5. Yeah.
Okay. Are we taking a pause for a moment to do the scoring?
Yeah, I think actually just 1 or 2 minutes and you can do it real time. And we are getting on with the second idea.
Sorry for the delay. Okay, thank you.
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right. Let's just give Debbie a minute, and then we can move on to the next presenter. Jayanti, are you ready?
Yes, Maria.
Just one quick question, Jacob or Venkat. Gabriella, you're fine with the scoring sheet, right?
Yeah, we are good, brother.
Beautiful. Okay.
Ready to go.
Wonderful. All right, Debbie is almost done as well.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah.
Our innovation empowers users to personalize their home and connect screens by dragging and editing widgets and choosing from a variety of color themes. This allows users to create a homepage that reflects their unique style.
Ready to go.
Wonderful.
Hello, everyone.
Go on.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Jayanti, and I am the UX architect. With the challenge of creating a world-class UI and UX, I come up with a simple but effective solution that will put users in the driving seat. Introducing an interface where user can easily customize their buzzboard and town square screens. Gone are the days of the static, one size fit all the home pages. With this new interface, user will have the power to tailor their experience to their unique preferences. Imagine dragging and editing widgets with ease, rearranging them to suit your workflow perfectly. Want to highlight certain information or features? No problem. Simply select from a spectrum of color themes to create visually stunning homepage that will reflect your personality and style. But it's not just about looks. Our customizable interface also ensures that your homepage serves you functional needs. Whether you are managing tasks, stay up to date with the notification, or connecting with the colleagues, you can design your buzzboard and town square screens to support your workflow perfectly. In essence, Our interface allows users to create a homepage that will not only meet their practical needs but also display their unique personality. It is customization made simple, giving you the freedom to craft an experience that uniquely yours. I believe that my explanation will help you to better understand my point. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to voice my idea.
Awesome. All right, 2 minutes for the judges. You can ask your questions to the presenters as well if you have any.
Judges, if you're wondering what are we talking about here, I'll just actually show you. If you just go here to this connect page and as well as this virtual town square, Jayanti's idea is to give the power to the user so that they will be able to go and personalize this to their kind of liking and also representing their own branding. As of now, it is common for all users. Jayanti's idea is to give the power to the user so they can go and design their own personality brand and also their home experience. Any questions? Venkat or Jacob, Gabriela, Debbie, any questions or can you move on? If you don't have questions, you can say that thumbs up. You can move on.
I'm okay. We can move
Beautiful.
on.
Yep. Thank you. Nice presentation.
Wonderful. All right, so up next we have Jayashri with the Dynamic Website Messaging Challenge.
The Dynamic Website Messaging Challenge description introduces dynamic messaging to drive user interaction with websites by sending daily messages tailored to website features such as notifying users about a colleague's birth.
Wow. Jayashree, floor is yours.
Hi everyone, I am Jayashree, a software developer at Innovation Minds. Today I like to address one of our key challenge, making a mobile app mainstream. To tackle this, I propose an innovation solution sending a dynamic message on a daily basis. Imagine a system that sends a personalized message directly to user, highlighting key feature and event. This system could transform our app into a daily essential for user. Picture this. You wake up to a notification about a colleague birthday featured on a company portal. Or you receiving a special offer on the reward uniquely tailored for you. This is a magic of dynamic messaging in action. Here, how it's work. Each message is tailored to the user's interest and behavior, making the content relevant and engaging. By providing a valuable and timely information, we give the user a reason to check our app every day. Regularly inform a user about a new feature, update, or special event, ensuring they are always in the loop. Engaging a daily message can significantly increase a user retention and build a habit of using our app. Our goal is to create a compelling reason of user to visit our app on the regular basis. With dynamic messaging, we turn our app into an indispensable tool for staying information and connected. This idea will make a mobile app a mainstream successful by harnessing the power of personalized dynamic messaging. Thank you.
Wonderful. All right, judges, 2 minutes for you.
Got a question here. So I was hoping to understand a little bit better quickly about the applicability of the idea in terms of, is this its own independent app standalone, or is this a piece of functionality that an app developer would integrate into their app?
Jayashri?
Sorry, once again.
Yes. Is this an app unto itself? Is this an app that will take on these functional capabilities, or is this functionality that an app developer would put into into their app? So is it something that would go into many apps, or is this one particular app?
Yeah, Debbie, I can answer for Jayashree since I was hearing this idea earlier. So this will be applicable for all the mobile app users, all the enterprise users who are part of our ecosystem. So when we are shipping our flagship mobile app for our end users, this dynamic messaging will be opt-in service. That's what Jayashree told us. It's for all users.
So what I mean is, if I am an app developer, I could integrate this functionality into my app, my technology.
Yeah, that's another idea that we should consider, I think. So as of now,
Oh,
it is actually built in within our flagship mobile app, but I think you brought up a good idea. Yep.
oh, I
Yeah.
see. I see. This is
Yeah, yeah.
specifically for Innovation Minds.
Yes,
Yeah,
that
Innovation
is
Minds
correct.
mobile app. Yep.
Internal use right now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
I was just trying to understand the scalability and overall approach. Thank you for allowing me to ask the question.
Of course. All right. If there are no other questions, please put in your scores and then I'll call in the next presenter. That will be Monica with Engage Blitz, blitzing engagement with streaks.
Is that Monica or Kritika?
It's Monica.
Okay, so just, okay.
Engage Blitz, it's the app sensation. Track your streaks, feel the elation. From the longest to the current streak, with every task you'll reach your peak. Engage Blitz, blitzing engagement with streaks. Consistency and flexibility it seeks. Rewards for milestones, a gratifying treat. In a vibrant app community, feel the beat. Visualize progress on the calendar bright. Free streak strategically, it's just right. Motivation ignited. Users take flight in up activities. They shine so bright.
Wonderful. All right. Monica, stage is yours.
Thank you, Maria. Hi, everyone. This is Monica, working as a software developer at Innovation Minds. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you. I'm excited to present an idea for making our mobile app mainstream. Imagine a fantastic app with tons of useful features. Despite all these amazing features, the app isn't getting the attention it deserves. The answer lies in user engagement. My goal is not just to attract users, but to keep them deeply engaged and invested in our platform. My Engage Blitz will solve this problem. This will track users' consecutive days of task completion, allowing users to maintain the streak for each task. To encourage continued participation, users will also have the option to freeze the streak for a limited number of attempts per month. This allows users to maintain the streak even if they are unable to complete tasks every day, which ensuring flexibility. The streak information, such as current streak, longest streak, and a visual calendar depicting their attendance, will be prominently displayed in our app, serving as a source of motivation and pride for users. Additionally, each time a user completes a task, the streak will increase. And after reaching certain milestones, they will be rewarded with points or other incentives which will further boost their engagement and participation. By integrating these features, our app aims to create a supportive and rewarding environment where users are motivated to stay active, complete tasks, and achieve their goals. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to share this with you. Thanks, everyone.
Wonderful. All right. Time for questions and scoring if you have any.
Wonderful. So if there are no questions, we can move forward.
Let's
Who
just
is
give
next?
them time to score a little bit,
Yeah,
Paul. One
yeah.
second. All right, so up next we have Nirmal. Nirmal with Beyond the Login, engaging users with micro interactions. Nirmal, you ready?
Yes, Maria.
It's time to level up, get ready to groove. We're mixing funk and fun, gonna make you move on this platform. We're gonna rock it all night, amplify excitement. We gonna take flight. Gotta take flight. Got achievements to unlock, trophies to collect. With every step you take, you gotta show some respect. Leaderboards on fire, competition so strong. Get your game face on, cause we gon' play along.
Beautiful music. All right, Nirmal, stage is yours.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Innovation Minds Hackathon Event 2024. We are thrilled to have you here, and we hope you're enjoying yourselves. I'm Nirmal, the program manager at Innovation Minds, and I'm excited to share my idea for the challenge, engage users with the timely updates. As you may know, our solution puts focus on employee engagement and well-being with organizations, providing features that appreciate and reward employees for their outstanding work and excellence in their task. But despite these engaging features, users often to miss out the notification, updates, and other important work-related informations. They also tend to reply to emails instead of utilizing our application. And I came up with an idea to address this by making this application more engaging and incorporating riddles, puzzles, fun pickup lines, and flash games that are both entertaining and valuable. But how does this ensure the users get the timely updates? The idea will strike in two ways. First, there will be a dedicated screen or pop-up that will allow users to catch up all the notifications and organizational updates they missed. This will be effective in keeping users informed on top of all relevant information and updates. Second, while the organic recognition and celebration reward users for their hard work, it may not enough in boosting adoption or participation, but the gamified approach engages users to log in and explore variety of engaged and gamified options relevant to their interest. Not only will this help to reduce monotony, this will make our app to go to option through integrate micro activities and interactions. Plus, the gamified options are available in offline and mobile apps, so users stay engaged even without internet connection and receive timely updates. Additionally, this gamified environment reduces stress, foster the team bonding, develop logical thinking, improve user experience, and enhance our brand image. Considering the statistics from Finance Online, this approach will significantly increase revenue by 60% and the engagements will boost to 100%. This feature will also set Innovation Minds apart from the competitors by miles, attracting more customers and expanding our reach. So thank you for your attention and make this gamified approach a wow factor implementation for application. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirmal. Okay, let's allow 2 minutes for the judges and then we'll take a little breather, okay?
Question,
I see. Go on.
Nirmal. One of the things, Nirmal, that you mentioned was that there was a 60% increase in revenue, and I was wondering if you could reiterate or elaborate for me how that would be driven by this idea.
Yeah, so when with this gamified approach is being employed in the future trends, and when we analyze this with the current market trends through our AI supporter, and the report says from the finance online is that this gamification will be increasing the revenues in 60%. And there, by increasing the revenue, there is also boost our engagement percent where when the users tends to use our app in going forward.
Now, Nirmal, are you saying that the engagement is inherently boosting the performance, productivity, and thereby increasing the revenue?
Yes,
So, question is, what is the correlation with the?
Yes, thank you. That's
Yeah.
I see it's an indirect correlation, and I understand a little bit better now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think actually that could be the correlation here. Good.
All right.
Any other questions?
No, just give me a moment. I'm just looking at the slide, please. Okay.
All right. Wonderful. So, judges, what do you think about the music that's been shared by the team so far? Do you find it engaging? They've put in a lot of hard work in creating and crafting these original theme songs to present their or showcase their ideas and capture the spirit of their ideas. So, yeah, I just wanted to know, what do you think?
Yeah, it keeps it interesting. That had me thinking about, the excitement that I'm about to hear in their voices, and it's nice. It's just a nice ad. I would, I think it keeps us alert, awake, and ready to engage and hear the creativity come forth.
Right. How about you, Jacob? I saw you unmute.
Yeah, I liked it too. It shows a little bit about the presenters, innovators, personality prior to their entrance, and it gets us all excited.
Absolutely. Well,
Yeah, go
sorry,
ahead.
go ahead, Bala. No, go
And
ahead.
Maria, it brings me the nostalgia. So, Jacob and team, when we were on LinkedIn, there was a concept called drop the mic. So that's primarily coming out of the diversity, inclusion, belonging. The thought behind was that every one of our identified kind of group of people, they may have their own inherent strength, right? Somebody may be really good with expressing their ideas through music. Some may be actually choosing art, or some may be choosing drawing, or some could be verbally really good and they will be able to narrate that idea. And some folks may be really good in writing, right? So that's the reason we thought that can we give more options for presenters to kind of, what is that, represent their ideas and also present their ideas. And what was happening is as they go through the music creation, there is actually a whole lot of kind of enthusiasm and then actually conversations and then teamwork. So it is not just the outcome, the music alone is going to be adding the value here, the journey they took to come up with writing the lyrics and also choosing the best tunes and all, it is nicely gelling with the creative process and it's really elevating their motivation and enthusiasm. I would say that it's as a whole package is very kind of
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So as you know, like music is a very powerful medium that bring concepts to life in a way that
Exactly.
words alone cannot. And in our, just so you know, judges, in our innovation sprint, this process is very vital, as it encourages our presenters to think beyond the traditional boundaries, so merging technology with artistry, exactly. And by creating their own music, our team not only enhance our presentations, but also show a very holistic approach to innovation, demonstrating their ability to integrate their diverse skills and creatively, which is essential for groundbreaking solutions, right? So if you could please all use the reactions in the Zoom to give a round of applause to all our presenters and their creative music. That really is making our hackathon so special. Thank you, everyone.
So
Okay.
let's take a minute break.
Yes. Let me just grab a water real quick.
Life is what you make it, at least that's what they say. Well, I think I'm gonna make it, fulfill my dreams someday. I feel this fire growing deep inside of me. I'm so inspired knowing that it's my destiny. I breathe like a champion, I dream like a champion. I see I'm a champion, it's meant to be. My will's getting stronger, I can't wait any longer. I'm singing a song that's inside of me, 'cause I'm a believer. I know that I can make it, no matter what they say, 'cause I'm a believer. The future is now, it starts today.
I see that you like Christina Milan.
Yeah, that's a good reminder for the presenters. Okay, believe
That
in
is
your
true.
idea. Okay, it's your day.
Absolutely. All right. So are we good to go on to the next presenter? Okay. Our next presenter would be Siva with streamlining data entry, tailored forms with API flexibility.
Yeah.
Streamlining data entry, tailored forms with API flexibility. Let me tell you about a game-changing plan. Streamlining data entry, yeah, that's the brand. Tailored forms with API Flex, we're in control. Designing customized screens, reaching every goal.
All right, Siva, stage is yours.
Hello everyone, I am Siva Prakash, an AP developer at Innovation Minds, and I am excited to share my idea with you today. I would help. I have looked closely at how people struggle with inflexible data entry systems, complicated representation. My goal is simple: create a solution that lets organization can easily customize their own data entry forms to fit their unique business requirements while also simplify their reporting feature. To make this happen, I have come up with an idea and built a prototype with a user-friendly interface that allows the engagement manager or admin to design dynamic user forms easily with drag and drop tools. And I have added val to make sure the data is accurate. But there is more. I have also added advanced reporting features so user can get the data they need right from their custom forms by using custom query reporting. We can easily access this report data from any other tools using a connection in efficient way. In short, my idea is about giving businesses the ability to stand out by tailoring their business process in to fit their unique requirements and the intelligent reporting with flexible connections for easy data sharing. For example, Salesforce customizable forms, and then Microsoft Dynamics 365 customizable forms, and there is more. For your reference, I have attached the images in my idea for more clarification. Thanks for listening, and I cannot wait to hear what you think.
Wonderful. All right. Okay, let's go on, Debbie.
Yeah. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you for that idea. Would you mind just summarizing in a statement, what is this going to do?
Yeah, we can implement the solution across various industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. For instance, for finance, we can utilize our platform to customize a finance module and streamlining data entry, resulting in better informed decisions and drive business successes. And then, in healthcare provider, can utilize our platform to customize business their patients intake forms and streamlining data entry, resulting in significant time saving and improved accuracy rate.
Thank you.
Yeah, Debbie, it's more like a custom form builder. You've been actually seeing that in the Google and all, right? So Siva's idea is to really build that within the platform so that we give the flexibility power for the users to go and create their own forms.
Their forms, yeah. We can
And
see
what
it
would be
across Salesforce customizable forms and Microsoft Dynamics 365 customizable forms.
okay. And do you have just a quick practical example of what what is an example of a form that an Innovation Minds customer might want to implement with this new technology?
Yeah, Debbie, I think Siva mentioned about the patient intake form, right? That could be one of the classic example for the healthcare.
I'm sorry, what was the word before intake?
Patient.
Okay.
Patient intake form. I would say that the opportunities could be endless. Okay, it is up to you. If you want to capture the data rather than going for survey, you'll be able to issue a new form and then share the link with your users.
Okay, and there's is one of the values an efficiency gain because it's going to be faster, easier, or are the steps still involved where the data has to be entered, manually?
Siva, come closer to the phone, please.
Yeah, yes.
So is it going to be manual input as well,
What
Siva,
makes
or
it
can it
faster?
be?
That's what I'm asking. What makes
Yeah.
it fast for me?
Yeah, once we develop that customizable forms means we can easily access the reports, and then we can access these reports via any other tools via API.
I see.
So,
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
it's just a flexibility, another feature. I think that's a good question. Maybe Maria, you should talk to the team members later
Yeah, okay.
about the
Yeah.
why. You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
The why. Sure,
Yeah.
sure. That's
Yeah.
it. And forgive me, I think it's a good when you are talking with your technical counterparts, they're totally going to be in mind meld with you. They're going to get it. You're going to be on the same mental wavelength. But if you're, presenting to sharks or something like that, and, these are people with, I'm just bringing this up, resources, funding, whatever it is, contacts, whatever they're going to bring you. They don't always understand the technology. So kind of putting it into the perspective of, how does this in kind of common sense terms or plain language, how would I use this and how would it help me in my business?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, thank you. Thank you for working hard to try and explain and answer my question. I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you, Debbie. Okay, so next up we have Sneha with Engage and Elevate the Notification Empowerment Initiative.
In a world of constant motion, where notifications fill the air, we're crafting a brand new notion to make every moment rare. Top engagers stand up tall, their names in lights they'll see. Community, we heed the call, together we'll strive to be. Catchy slogans, words that soar, the spirit's high forever.
All right, awesome. Sneha, floor is yours.
Warm greeting to one and all gathered here. This is Sneha, software developer at Innovation Minds. My idea to solve the challenge of engaging users in a timely manner. My idea is focused on engaging the users while utilizing the Innovation Mind platform at its full capacity. As the platform records or keeps the engagement score of every user, the platform will highlight their engagement score to encourage participation and friendly competition from other users. The platform will have a leaderboard like style or design to highlight the top engagers. Every week at the seventh day, the system will publish the top 3 engagers of our platform. The system will send push notification to users saying Sneha, Monica, and Kritika are the top 3 engagers of the week. Sign in and start engaging to grab your spot too. The system will employ a smart reward to top 3 engagers to gamify their participation and encourage more users to go online and engage with the platform and your engagement initiatives. We will also design a daily notification that is catchy and appealing for the users, like get ahead of your peers, showcasing each and everyone standing in a visual graphic, or even include the recent interaction from the peers like Sneha just shared a moment, sign in and share yours too. Over this idea, my idea will emphasize on the pull versus push design of the Innovation Mind platform, making it more fun for users to engage and in timely manner as well. Thank you for listening to my speech, and I'm happy to hear from you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Sneha. Judges, if you have any questions, please go ahead.
I'm going to give somebody else a chance to ask questions. Don't want to dominate.
I think Sneha, I like the way how you prefaced it. This idea, and then you emphasize my idea. Hopefully it's your idea.
But this is great. And also, Sneha, your song is wonderful. It feels like summertime.
Thank you, Maria.
Okay. All right. If the judges are ready, we have Sona next, but stay connected. Join the conversation with trending topics.
Yo, check your feed, don't miss a beat. Trending topics hot on the street. Hashtags blazing, ideas fly. Join the convo, reach for the sky. In your app, it's where it's at. Stay connected, don't fall back. Tap to join, share your mind. With trending hashtags, you'll always shine.
That was wonderful. So, Jacob, I used to joke with the team members like you got a second job, like DJ or go and come.
Yeah, it does sound like you're in a music festival. But yes, Sona, floor is yours.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Sona. I'm a quality analyst at Innovation Minds. My idea is called Stay Connected. It's focusing on keeping the users informed and addressing the challenge of engaging users with timely updates. Users are seamlessly integrated into the dynamic flow of online conversations by receiving direct updates on trending hashtags, ideas, or challenges within their app feed. This features empowers them to effortlessly join discussions and share their thoughts, and ensuring that they stay engaged with the latest topics. By facilitating this connection to a broader community, the app fosters a sense of belonging and empowerment among its users. Participating in real-time discussions enriches the user experience, enabling individuals to connect with like-minded peers and contribute meaningfully to ongoing conversations. As users share insights and perspectives, they contribute to the collective knowledge base and drive innovation within the app ecosystem. In essence, this approach ensures that users are not just passive consumers of content, but active contributors to the discourse within the app community. Imagine opening your app and seeing updates about the latest topics and trending hashtags right in your feed. With these features, users are effortlessly connected to the pulse of online discussions, instantly informed about what's buzzing. Let's embrace real-time discussions, spark innovation, and build a community where every voice counts. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Sona. All right, let's give a few minutes to the judges. Floor is yours. Do you have any questions?
Just a quick question. So just from a use case perspective, this would be, I'm looking at my phone, I get an update that a hashtag has hit a particular milestone, and then I'm pulled into either via the app or on my desktop into the Innovation Minds management platform to join the discussion. Is that?
Yes. Sona, is it like that or?
Yes, Jacob.
Okay.
It's like that.
Will it have a
And would you as
visual
the
represent? Sorry, go ahead, Jacob. Sorry about
yeah,
that.
would you as the admin have the ability to set the standard for what it means to be a trending hashtag? Or is it just, multiple people have thrown a hashtag in, or one more thought is, could this be scaled to other factors like thumbs up or views or things like that to pull and prompt people back into the system?
Sorry.
Sona, can you hear the question? So, yeah, go ahead.
Yes, Jacob. Based on the recent activities, it could be trending at the top.
Great, thank you.
Do you think like there will be a customization wizard where you can go and set the criteria? What could be the trending topics? Is it the combination of hashtag mentions, how many times it's mentioned, and also likes, comments? So that is what Jacob's question. Can we go and configure our
Yeah.
own? Okay.
Okay, I
Yeah.
have a question
Yeah,
as well.
go ahead, Debbie.
I'm sorry, Jacob. I didn't realize you were still kind of refining your question. I'll wait.
I'm just kind of thinking of, for me particularly, eyes on or liking of particular ideas would probably be more important than hashtags in terms of like what I would think users would enter. So like the ability to be able to just almost automate the system where if an idea got, X amount of
Right.
looks or X amounts of thumbs up, it would be automatically then prompting out to people that, hey, come and
Yeah.
look at this. It's getting a lot of attention.
So Jacob, I was there when Sona originally pitched the idea to the team. So this includes what are the most popular ideas or the most popular challenges that the users are actually participating. So the answer to your question is yes, it will include the ideas as well.
It's more than ideas, the activities, I think, Maria. So yeah, we will actually consider the prominent activities. It could be likes or number of comments or how many times they are actually mentioning using the hashtag. I think actually Jacob's expectation is that there should be a configuration wizard, so I'll be able to go and set up the kind of rule. Okay, how do you constitute these are the trending topics or these are the ideas coming into the trending topics or challenges?
Interesting.
Yeah, thank
That's
you,
good.
Jacob. I think that's a wonderful idea. We will actually give the feedback to the presenter.
Yes.
Yeah, so I have one fairly quick question. From my experience at Innovation Minds back in the early days, I recall the platform had this functionality inherent in, the first couple of versions of the build. So what I'm trying to understand is what's different. What's the net add here from what is already, from what I recall, inherent functionality.
Debbie, since you're talking about the historical one, so this is more like a kind of a real-time actually reach out to the users since we are having our native mobile app. See, the moment actually we are knowing that some idea is trending, rather than actually waiting for the weekly digest to inform about that idea to the user, it could be real-time. As in, when it is happening, we can just send a push notification like, hey, you know what? There is a great idea trending now for so-and-so reason. Do you want to join the party?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a real time. Yeah.
So, right. So the engagement factor is in that it is drawing them in through proactive communication.
Yeah, that's true.
And alerting or, okay. That's what I wanted to understand because I remember we were doing that in the app, but you're right. Now I recall it was more of kind of waiting for them to come and see it.
It's like actually code drama. Okay, Amber has finished her testimony. Now Johnny Depp is coming out to the stand. You know what I'm saying, right?
I don't know.
everything and then
A little too much drama going on there for me. Okay.
Thank you, judges, for your questions.
All right. Just need another second on my scoring here.
Go ahead.
We are actually running a little late, Maria. You might have to speed up.
Yeah. Okay, so we have Subaya next. Subaya with streamlining and control the cPanel solution.
Innovate, elevate, let's integrate the cPanel, the central fate. No time to hesitate transferring admin powers. Consolidate and simplify, optimize, streamline, enhance, watch the system fly.
All right. Subaya, floor is yours.
Yeah. Hello all. Thanks a lot for this opportunity. I'm Subaya, Delivery Manager from Innovation Minds. My idea is streamlining control the cPanel solution. I'm thrilled to present you my proposal that focus on the implementation of cPanel within our system. This proposal is aimed to transforming the way we manage our system and enhancing the overall user experience of the admin and engagement managers. The cPanel serves as a central hub for transferring super admin functionalities and effectively consolidating, simplifying system management. Through the centralized panel, we aim to relocate underutilized admin features and new additional features, thus optimizing the admin experience, streamlining workflow, and enhancing the overall system efficiency. One of the key benefits of this idea is the improvement in accessibility to critical functions. By centralizing these functions in the cPanel, we are making it easier for admins to access and utilize these essential features. This not only saves the time, also ensures that admins can effectively carry out their tasks without having to navigate through multiple menus and interfaces. Furthermore, by reducing this complexity of the system and consolidating admin features in the cPanel, we are empowering admins to navigate and utilize the system with a greater ease and effectiveness. This will lead to increased productivity as admins can focus on their tasks without being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. In conclusion, the implementation of the cPanel within our system is a game changer that will not only improve the way we manage our system, but also enhance the overall admin experience. This approach aligns with our commitment to continuous improvement and excellence, and I am confident that it will bring about positive results within our organization. Thanks for your attention, and I'm looking forward to your feedback about the proposal. Thank you.
Wonderful. All right. Let's give the judges a little bit of time there.
I know, Jed, back in those days, you were using admin a lot, right? So I thought this idea goes back to some of your feedback as well. So there are a lot of admin kind of options available. Only few of them are being used by your team and as well as you. I think the cPanel is going to be addressing that one. How to make it easy for you to administer the program platform without getting overrun.
Nice. So does this, in a sense, make it more, I guess, forgive me, I'm trying to pull out that which I know from the technical standpoint, which is not even clearly enough to understand this in the nature you want to describe. But I guess what I'm asking is does it create a repeatable methodology whereby you can reuse elements, quickly grab objects or functionality, because these are pieces of code or these are automations that you would reuse in multiple instances?
No, it's a kind of like we have a lot of admin features and a lot of super admin features in our system. So most of them are more technical or more, how do you say, not more understandable by everyone. So by splitting those functionalities into a separate panel or separate application, our support team can manage those things for them. So if they have any queries or anything to update on their system, they will reach out our support system. We will take care of those things by using that cPanel. So that's the major goal of this idea. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying. That helps a lot.
Yeah. Thanks.
Great. Okay, and then our last presenter, Kiruthika with Seamless Solutions, enhancing app access anywhere.
In the realm of patchy connections, our solution stands tall. Offline features pave the way, ensure no sudden stall. Personalized shortcuts on home screens, they reside. Swift access to essentials in every stride. With reliance.
By the way, just an FYI, judges, Kritika is Taylor Swift fan.
Me too, me too.
You too? You're a Swiftian too? Okay.
I'm a total Swiftie. I didn't get to see the concert live, but I did watch the recorded version like 5 times. Three times in the theater and 2 at home.
Go ahead, Kritika Swiftie. Yes.
Floor is yours, Ruthika.
I'm Kritika, a software developer at Innovation Minds. Today, I want to address a common challenge many of us face: unreliable internet connectivity. In places where the internet is not so good, using apps can be a real struggle. But fear not, because we have a solution. My innovative idea involves adding special features to the Innovation Minds app, allowing the app to function seamlessly even when you are offline. Yes, you heard that right. No internet, no problem. One of the coolest features we'll develop is the ability for users to create shortcuts on their phone's main screen. The shortcuts provide instant access to the most important function of the app, making it incredibly easy to navigate and use, even without internet access. With this feature, users can easily access their projects, share ideas, or engage in challenge or initiatives even if they are offline. So whether your internet is slow or not working at all, you can still get them quickly and efficiently. Our goal is simple: to ensure that everyone, regardless of their location or internet connection quality, has a smooth experience with their apps. That's the essence of our idea: to bridge the gap between technology and connectivity challenges. Thank you for your attention. Thank you all.
Wonderful.
That's my
Thank you,
dream, yeah.
Ruthika.
Kritika, how
Yeah.
about we're going to make it offline? You're going to make the content available with an app. What's your thought process to make it offline?
In idea page, we can create a separate shortcut in phone's main screen that can be offline. We can easily access through offline in the shortcut.
Got it.
Like
Okay.
idea project.
Got it.
It's more like Venkat local storage, and then as soon as you're coming online, it's going to be synchronized with the
That's a good
server.
idea. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it.
I think actually when we extended this for some Japanese users, we got into the trouble. Okay, so they're traveling a lot and then they're not able to access our mobile app. I think this could be a godsend. Okay, so that actually brings up the closure of the ideas, right? All 10 ideas.
Yes, that is correct. Now let's just give the judges a few minutes. I know that we are on top of the hour. Let them add in their notes and complete the scores just a little bit, and then we can announce the winners of the projects.
We're almost there now. Go for it.
All right. So our third prize goes to Gianti and Monica. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you.
Second prize.
Second prize goes to Ruthika. Congratulations. And the first prize goes to our champion for this innovation sprint, Subaya.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thanks a lot,
Subaya,
thanks a lot.
expect coffee.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for all your hard work. we know that these few weeks have been really tough for everyone, squeezing these ideas and sessions with your work. But your dedication and creativity have made this hackathon a success. Each of you has brought something unique, and we're amazed by the fantastic ideas that you've developed. And special thanks, by the way, to our judges. Your expertise and your thoughtful evaluations have been invaluable. We appreciate the time and effort that you put into reviewing each idea and providing feedback. As we conclude, let's continue the spirit of innovation, collaboration, and learning, of course. This hackathon may be ending, but it's just the start of many more creative projects from our team. So thank you all, and I look forward to seeing you at the next event. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Hey,
Thanks a lot.
Maria.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you for attending. Thanks.
Super.